Hello, class. The lesson we have today is taking a fraction and turning it into a percent, okay? So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this, okay? One way to me is easier than the other way. Sometimes depending on the numbers, one way could be better, okay? What you'd really do here, okay, I'm going to rewrite this. I got 15 over 20. One way to do this, I kind of make a fraction of this. So I bring this out like this, bring this down. I carry the 15 down here, okay? The 15. I know the decimal place is there. So I actually put that right up there in the beginning, okay? Only so decimal points are very important where you put them, okay? Because you put them one place the wrong and your answer is going to be wrong. Okay, so now 20 goes into 15. It really doesn't. Okay, so what do I got to do? I got to add a zero here. You remember that when we did the division before, okay, in the long division? You got to add a zero. So now 20 goes into 150. Yeah, let's see. It goes in 7 times because 7 times 20, right, is 140. So what do I got? I got a 10 left over, okay? Now, does 20 go into 10? No, it doesn't. Okay, so what do I got to do? I got to add another zero here. Then I can bring that zero down, okay, put it there, and now 20 goes into 100. Hey, it goes in 5 times, okay? 5 times 20 is 100. So let's see, 0, there's no remainders, okay? So we know, hey, we got exactly, okay? But now this still is a percentage. It's a decimal, okay? So I took the fraction, I made it a decimal, and now I got to make it a percentage. And remember what we did before? You take the decimal point, because that's why it was so important where we put it, and you move it 2 places to the right, once, twice. So it's 75%, okay? So the answer to this is 75%, okay? So that's all there was to it, okay? Let me show you another way you could have done this. You ready? Okay? So we know that percentage is really usually the number over 100, okay? It's going to be 100 down the bottom, okay? It's 100. And what it's over 100? Now this one here, 75 is over 100, okay? So we know that the percentage stands for over 100 because we moved 2 places, so we got a 100 value, okay? So we could take 15 over 20 equals how many hundreds? 20 goes into 100 how many times? 5 times. Okay, 5 times. Okay, 5 times. That's how many times it goes in. Okay, now 5 times 15. 5 times 15 equals 75. And that's it. 75 was your answer. So I didn't have to do the long division. I just had to know that 20 went into that. Watch when I do it. Okay, so say the number was 2 25ths. Okay, how many times is that now? Okay, that equals, let's see, over 100. Put 100 here. 25 goes into 100. How many times? 4 times. 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. So that's 8%. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, 2 tenths. So we got 100 here. 10 goes into 100. How many times? 10 times. Times 2. 20. 20%. You can whiz right through these, okay? This is just another way to do it. A lot of times you can just do it with the long division like I showed you. Or you can just remember, hey, the percentage is 100. So how many times does the denominator go into 100? Hey, and then you multiply times the numerator. And that's all there is to it, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, help my YouTube ratings. And if you have any mathematical friends or students in school, share this with them because it might help them. I'm sure they're doing these, convert the fraction to a decimal, then to a percentage. I'm sure they're doing this, and this might say, oh, that's another way to do this. This is easy, okay? And that's what it is in getting a good grade is you find the easy way to do it and you say, oh, I can do this, okay? It builds confidence in them, okay? Thank you very much. You have a great day and take care.